Out here in a beautiful camping spot. Enjoy the video, guys. Watching like Jurassic. Alright guys, we're back. Truck is loaded up. Got my spare tire in the bed. I'll explain. Got the whole gang on this one. This is my girlfriend. Gassing it up. We're almost there. Alright, first stop, it's Lavender Farm. Pine Creek Canyon Lavender Farm. Bunch of lavender. That was cool. Onward. Alright, going on a hike. We're heading into the town of Strawberry. Get a coffee at our favorite spot. There's an empanada spot.
Empanada.
Empanada. We're gonna pick some of those up for lunch and we're gonna go find our camp spot. All right, we're at this windmill coffee place. Let's get a cold brew. All right guys, we're at Pie Bar. They got some great flavors. I think we're getting buffalo chicken, Philly cheesesteak. What's that other one we're getting?
Picadillo beef.
Picadillo beef, and then they have like sweet ones. So we're gonna get some of those. It's a big line. It's Truckee. Yeah, this is Strawberry. Cool bar. Empanadas. Got our empanadas. Back to the truck here. We're going home. Going to our spot. All right, so the road we wanted to go down was closed. They closed those roads for the winter, so we can't go. Gotta find a different spot. All right, we finally made it on some dirt and we're heading up. Oh, look at these flowers.
Pretty.
Ooh. Guys, the iBox suspension on these ruts feeling pretty good, honestly. Oh my God, was that shot worth it? Hope so. All right guys, check this out. Should we go down this road? All right, I think we got our spot. Gotta go. Just gotta go down this little road here. Alright, this is one of the craziest spots I think I've ever been to. Check that out. Yep. This is a crazy spot. Kind of wish there was some shade, but whatever. It'll be nice once the sun starts setting. So yeah, we wanted to camp in the pines, but we're settling for this. What do you think of this situation?
Not what we wanted, but it's still a pretty view. It's nice by the water.
I just hope it cools down. It's actually pretty hot.
Yeah, come
All right, we're in the soft topper, eating the empanadas. It's hot and there's a lot of bugs, but we're making the best of it. Chilling. Crazy view. So there's my spare tire. Long story short, I took it out of the spare tire location because I was gonna get a full-size spare, and then I realized it was $800, so I'm gonna hold off on that, getting the full-size spare. And I'll get it soon, but so I put that one in the bed and I just never put it back under, so now it's right there. But yeah, we got some shade on this side of the truck, so check out the overlook. All right, our camp's pretty much done. Got dog beds, got my diagonal set up, and then yeah, come down into the tent, and I'm pretty happy with this. Cooler check. I got some raw chicken in there, some veggies, some beers, water. She's eating mac and cheese, and then bananas. And then I got this kimchi bulgogi fried rice, which isn't frozen at all. Oh well.
That's awkward.
What? The beast. Staying hydrated. Check out the suspension, guys. Working pretty good, I'd say. But yeah, happy with the truck here. And we're in a really cool place, so no complaints. Guys, check out this view. This is pretty wild. Guys, we're going to scope out this platform down here. There's nowhere to throw this ball. Chilling. Taking a nap. Dog in. 2 dogs in.
You wanna go up here? Go ahead.
Look how green it is right there. It's pretty crazy. It's getting kind of dark. Final sunset shot. Suspension's feeling good, guys. Check it out. It's working well. Super happy with the setup now. Got our beers. We're gonna walk down this little trail. All right, so I do want rock sliders. What do you think? Cali raised, maybe Westcott Designs, RCI. I don't know. There's a few others. What sliders should I get for this 4th gen Tacoma? And if anyone was wondering, I did not remove my ditch lights. Alright guys, we got her mac and cheese is rolling on the stove here. Guys, the sky right now. How's the mac?
Very good.
Alright guys, I'm whipping up this chicken. We got some winds rolling in. But yeah, it's coming out good. I'm chefing right now.
Dinner time.
Alright guys, we're watching like Jurassic Park right now. We got some chips. We're in the topper. Dogs are fast asleep over there. Alright guys, it's like 6:30 a.m. Check it out. Sun's coming up. Pretty epic view. Got our coffee. The truck's packed up. Let's get out of here. Made it back. Let's check the MPG 18. Not too bad.